decorations.
You're doing a great job. Keep it up, and soon we'll have everything for the party.
This is a chicken egg. Did you know that all birds lay eggs? Let's finish the contraption to deliver it to the pipe. What if we put this here? What if we put this here? You did it! You added the egg to the invention engine. What if we put this here? Milk is good to drink, and it's also an ingredient in some of my favorite things to eat. Let's finish the contraption to deliver it to the pipe. In this level, you can use a jar of dye to change the color of the raw material. The color of the material determines the color of the final product at Fish's party. You did it! What if we put this here? Buzz, buzz, buzz! Honey comes from bees! Let's finish the contraption to deliver it to the pipe. What if we put this here? You did it! What if we put this here? A blueberry! Let's finish the contraption to deliver it to the pipe. This is looking good! If you get stuck, hit the question mark button for some help. I like it! What if we put this here? What if we put this here? If you get stuck, hit the question mark button for some help. What if we put this here? What if we put this here? Leather! The invention engine is starting to whir. What will it do? Hooray! The raw materials combine to become ice cream.
Excellent! You created everything for the party. Keep collecting stars, and Fish will have the best party ever.